Good morning and welcome to this informative update on the channel. So this here is my first video that I'm back from Thailand, that I'm recording in Ireland. I'm back 3 weeks now and I've just had so much updates and edits and so much to do, so I'm just catching up with creating videos. I was supposed to do this yesterday with beautiful skies and lovely warm weather and everything else, but the women I was doing a photo shoot with miscalculated the wrong day and they reached out to me on the Friday night just before I was going to bed saying, "See you tomorrow." I'm like, "No, see you Sunday." Like, "No, tomorrow we meant." So you were supposed to see beautiful mountains in the background, but today we have wind, we're in a cloud and it's a bit cold. So that's a tip for Ireland: be prepared for all kinds of weather. So many things to update. As you can see now, today I'm trying something new. I have a selfie stick with the camera. I'm going to talk to you direct. I'll do a few of these over time, but these will be not in public. I don't think I could do this in public ever. So some good news about Ireland, if you haven't been aware. Basically all the restrictions have been lifted, and it's real weird because, like, when I was in Thailand I still had to wear the mask for everything, going into a shop, bar, restaurant, whatever. And then you get back here and like no one wears a mask anywhere, and I'm still kind of have my mask on me, kind of going, do I need to wear it going in here? It's optional. People still wear them, but I do when I want to and I don't when I don't, so like it's optional. You still need to wear them in the hospitals and in the airport, so yeah, just be aware of that. So a lot of updates as well. The channel is monetized. So if you don't have an ad blocker on, you'll probably notice that you're seeing ads pop up, and I get a massive percentage of that. Almost slipped there. No, I don't. I get a tiny little bit, like very minuscule, but it's gonna hopefully build up and then fund more of these trips, you know, for like a hotel stay in Cork or a hotel stay in Belfast or something like that, so I can get out and do these videos. Google Maps didn't show it was uphill. So I'm doing two things here today. I'm going for a walk. So there's loads of trails around Ireland, they're just dotted everywhere, and you'll find them on kind of Google Maps by seeing the trails, and you get to see all these vistas, sceneries. You should be seeing lovely mountains behind me, but you're not. And I didn't look like it was going uphill as well, so you're going to hear me out of breath, which you love hearing that, you know, because you're like sitting there going, he's doing all the hard work for me. So the nature trails I'm going to start including, and I'll probably do walking tours like this and then updates and stuff like that. And I'm actually scouting out a location for a photo shoot for my other channel, which only has 25 subscribers, so if you aren't a subscriber, go over there and check it out. It's tog_lookbooks. I'm gonna probably change the name, so if you're seeing this now and you can't find it, search for Doran's Photos, and then hopefully you'll find that channel there too. It's all about photo shoots and photography and camera gear and, you know, how to deal with models and stuff like that. I'm gonna slow the pace down just so I'm not out of breath as much. A few other things to talk about. I loved Thailand, I have to admit it. It was amazing. I've done a few videos, but it was so hot and you have to wear a mask. It was just very uncomfortable to do, and yeah, I really want to go back, so I might be doing another trip there, but I want to explore more. So we're waiting for restrictions to lift in other countries. I don't want to drop names and give hints of where I'm going, but it might be near the end of 2022. My brain is still sinking to 2020 because of COVID. So hopefully by the end of the year we'll be doing another trip, and I'll get more walks on them because they're a bit of a cooler countries, so I should be able to do some walks, no problem then. Let's see what else has been going on. Like, really not much. yeah, I just loved the Thailand trip. It was great. The heat was getting to me at the end. Not used to it. And yeah, we're back doing videos. So if there's something that you want to see, or like I'll include driving videos if people want, walking videos if you like this kind of interactive walking. I'm not doing this in Dublin city centre. You can fuck off. I'm already nervous down here, like going, is that square listening to me? Ah, God, he's listening to me. So let me know. Doing loads of videos if the weather keeps up. Hopefully we have a great summer. We're just coming into summer now, so the videos are going to change. Well, I suppose the last videos it was cold, miserable and cloudy, so not much has changed actually. But if it was yesterday, like I'd be here, like I went out for a game of golf in a pair of shorts. Another top tip, if you are interested in golf, there are a lot of golf courses in Ireland. It's actually very popular for golf courses. Now I think I have to take this left of a trail, and I have to remember that I'll be bringing camera gear with me. So the place I'm looking at is the back of a quarry. So from Google Maps it looks like you can gain access to the quarry from the back. So shh, don't tell anyone, because you know, it's illegal and dangerous and all this stuff. We're just looking. We're seeing if we can get the balance between making it look like a quarry. Sorry, I'm focusing on the path. Making it look like you're in the quarry, but we're actually not in the quarry. So we're gonna have a look. I think it's this path here. Could be wrong, because I also thought it was not an uphill. I will do some hiking ones like this as well. I want to do Glendalough this summer. Glendalough is beautiful. I've done a few videos on it before, way back on my channel. And I find it stunning. I usually go there at least 2 times a year minimum. Summertime, early in the mornings for sunrise shoots, but I'm kind of getting away from the landscape and more into nude art. Not me, the model, don't worry. So I'm trying to venture down that avenue, because I've done a few shoots in Thailand where they were nude art and I enjoyed them. They were something I enjoyed. It was very creative. So I'm trying to pursue that thing, get away from the landscapes a bit, but I still want to go down to Glendalough. So I'll probably do one of the hiking trails. If I get there early enough during summer, there mightn't be anyone around, so I should be able to do a video and you can really hear me out of breath then. Jesus. You think it's bad now? I've also got a bit of a bum knee, so it was grand in Thailand, so I think it's the heat. One of those things where when it's cold it cramps up and it's just locking some of the cartilage or something like that, and then when it's hot it's relaxed. So might have to look into that. If anyone had that before, let me know in the comments below if I should go to a physiotherapist or if it's just old age. Let's face it, I am old. And there's trees that fell down. See if this is a way around it. But that path just stops there. But we got our hiking boots on. Right, and there's a fence. No trespassing of any kind. So I don't know if you can see the wind whipping the cloud. So we're actually in the cloud here. Yeah, so let's do a little panel here. Like even there might be good. The dead wood. You know. I have a few ideas in my mind and a few models set up, but like again, warmth and sunshine and privacy. So this is the area here we might be doing a shoot on. I don't know if this was blocked on purpose. It kind of looks like a lot of trees just piled up there. Barbed wire. So Google Maps needs to be updated, people. Right, let's go back. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna do more walking videos, the silent types as well around town. I'm gonna try maybe once a month or once every other month to get to like Belfast or Galway or Donegal or something like that. But as you know, fuel prices have gone up and everything else has gone up, food, so things are a bit, it's hard to judge. And then also having to save for another mega trip, as I like to call them, because it's not your 2-week holiday to Lanzarote or Spain or something like that. It would be about 3 months travelling, and I'm too old to be doing the whole hostel things, and I'd be bringing so much expensive gear I wouldn't feel comfortable leaving it there. Not to say that hostels are bad places to leave your, stuff. It's just, if I left a bag worth of €10,000 worth of camera gear equipment and I come back and it's gone, and that was the first week, most of the holiday is ruined. You're going to be in a foul mood and you won't be able to do your photo shoots or your videos and stuff. So yeah, you got to take into consideration these things. So yeah, I'm thinking of upgrading my dash cam, because the one I have is kind of crappy. It's just there for, if there's an accident. So if you like the dash cam videos driving around, let me know. I can get lots of that because I don't mind driving. It's easy on the knee. Go around Dublin city centre, do some city views. I don't think the freeways are good, like the motorways, they're kind of boring. So maybe the back roads and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm looking to really expand this channel. I'm waiting for your feedback. I don't want it to be just your standard walking channel. I want to give variety. If there's anything you want to know about Ireland, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer you correctly. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably start another video here now in a second, because I'm coming to the end of this trail here. I think there's another trail a little bit further up, but I'm gonna do another video because, let's face it, I need more videos, because this one's gonna be released on Wednesday and I need more time. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think below, and I'll catch you on the next video.